Hi, my name is Elizabeth Asala and I welcome you to Zibet Media Solution. This is a platform where we grow your business and we talk about how to grow your business, tips on online businesses and how to run paid adverts, etc. Everything about social media marketing. If you need our services, you can contact us through our Fiverr account and you can check our profile there too. So the link is going to be inside our description box. So if this is what you like, the content you like, kindly subscribe, like and share our video. Today we'll be talking about email marketing, how to grow your business through email marketing. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the video. Once again, our topic is what is email marketing and its importance. How is email marketing important in our businesses? Do you have an email list? Fine. There's a difference between email marketing and social media marketing. If you don't know that, there are two different things, right? So today I'll be giving you 3 tips on how to get your email marketing started if you are not familiar to email marketing. So email marketing is very necessary in our business. Very necessary that in the digital world, email marketing is essential. If you want your business to grow, you have to use email marketing. For instance, if Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, if they spark up and they say, I'm not working today, or something happened to your account, or maybe perhaps someone hacked your Facebook account, someone hacked your Instagram account, how do you want to contact your customers? How do you want to get in touch with your fellow customers if you don't have their email contact? And storing email is forever. Storing email is forever. You can never miss out the email. Even Gmail is very good. Any form of email you're using. Perfection of business. To get your business perfected, you need email marketing. So I would encourage us to listen to or to watch this video to the end so you can get the full gist of what I'm talking about. And let's make it interactive. Please, I will appreciate your like, your share, and your comment below. Very important. And I will also appreciate it if you can subscribe and press the notification button to notify you anytime I upload a new video. And this is my first video that I'm giving to you today. So I welcome you all to my community. So back to what I'm saying. In this video, we'll be talking about the reasons and the important tools to use in email marketing for our businesses. How is email marketing important to our business? Right? Does it worth it? Does it worth it? Does it worth your time, your energy, your resources, and does it worth your money? Is email marketing, does it worth it? Let's think about it. So I have some facts to give you, and I will be listing the facts step by step. So please, I will appreciate you to listen. Number 1 fact is email marketing works. Email works a lot, right? Email works a lot. Email is 50 times more effective at acquiring customers than Facebook and Twitter or any other social media. If you want organic customers, let's not go to traditional customers, right? If you want organic customers, new customers, right? I would employ you to use email marketing. Email marketing works a lot, okay? So if you don't have email marketing and you're listening to me, please watch to the end, because there's a solution for it at the end of this video. I have a solution for you. Also, we all use email for both personal use, business use, and professional use, right? We use email a lot. Any little thing you say, can I have your email? Can I communicate to you through your email address? You know, even for our personal use, even for our friends, we use email address a lot. Number 2, email is a medium that allows the development of the relationship by telling a short story or video or newsletter, anything you want to write to your customer. You have the right to do that in your email. It gives you the leverage to do. So far, it's polite, and you can even sell using your email. You can even sell using your email through email marketing. Okay? So, use of social media. You use your social media to drive traffic to your email list. That is what you use your social media for, to drive traffic to your email, to get your email list. And how to do that, you get to know at the end of this video. So watch till the end, right? So you do follow up on your email list. You use your email list for follow up. You do on your landing page. Fact number 2, email is everywhere. Everybody uses email. Even a 90-year-old man or woman, they use email. No matter what, you can use email anywhere you go to. Yeah, most of us use email. Most of us need email and appreciate the quality information people send to us through our email, right? So email is very important. Email is necessary in our businesses. Email is fast and friendly, and it has a friendly usage. So don't miss out your email listing. Customer prefers it more for you to communicate to them through email, like exchanging email address together. Customers appreciate it. You can even sell your products. You can sell anything you have, your products, your services through email, sent to your email list. You just have to be respectful. You just have to be polite about your sending, right? You have to be polite about your sending. So email marketing is very necessary, and I would say it is very compulsory for every usage that is serious in business, in the business sector. Fact number 3, you have to be seen and be heard. What do I mean by that? The message you send on your email, inside people's email, is 7 times likely to be seen than through Facebook. I'm going to repeat that again. The message you send, like if it's selling, promotional offers, any of your product that you want to sell, services, you send through your email list, it is 7 times better it is 7 times likely to be seen in your customer's email list, or individual email, the email you send out, to be seen than through Facebook, like maybe through Facebook ad. So you see the importance of email listing, email marketing. You see the importance. So don't miss out. Then the last fact that I need to show you, that I have for you, is show me the money. If you want to sell, as I said before, and you have good email lists, the internet online, in quotes, says email marketing has an ROI of 3,800%. What is ROI? That's return of investment. Isn't that huge? You just calculate that. Just calculate that. Isn't that huge? Imagine yourself selling through your email list and you see the return of how many people have bought your products. Wouldn't you be happy? Is it not? Are you not going? It's not going to be stressful at all. So think about it. What are you waiting for? If you don't have an email marketing system, now this is it. I'm going to be giving you how to use email marketing. How do you use email marketing? Number one, you need an email service provider. We have different ones, but the best one, the one I use, is GetResponse. GetResponse, I'm still going to do a tutorial on GetResponse. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. That is how you encourage me, right? So the email, a lot of people use mail chips, but a lot of people use drips, but the best that I know that has everything, that is not stressful at all, is GetResponse, and it is friendly. It has a friendly usage. So if you want me to do a tutorial on GetResponse, you can also comment below. Let me see, and I'm going to do the tutorial on how to use a GetResponse. But in the meantime, to get you started in your email listing, I'm going to put a link in my description box. That link, you register for your GetResponse, and guess what? You can sign up. The first month you sign up is going to be free, and by the time you start paying after your free 1 month subscription, you would, because of the partnership with GetResponse, you would get enough discounts. You won't pay a lot of money because you're coming through the link in the description below. So you will get a very good discount that you can never get anywhere. So a very good deal. So sign up, and when you sign up, do you know what? Let me just brief you a little about GetResponse. GetResponse has a landing page. You can advertise through GetResponse. You can do your automation. You do your automation on GetResponse. You send daily newsletter, how to time your system. How to time. There's a way you do it, and there's a way you attach it to your website. that as people are entering your landing page, as they're dropping their email, as they're dropping their email, you'll be getting it in your back office in GetResponse. Isn't that fun? And even if you don't have even if you don't have a website, you can use GetResponse. You can use their landing page to do your marketing. It has huge, is another topic on its own. And the next thing is the training. There's going to be a training on GetResponse, how to use it, right? So don't miss it. If this is what you like, we've come to the end of this video. So if this is what you like, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for your GetResponse and get started with that business. And if what the tips I gave you today, if you see that it's giving you leads and it's giving you the results you want, please, I would appreciate it to come back and give me your review. And don't forget to also contact us through our Fiverr account if you need our service. Bye. See you on my next video. Peace out.